Did you know that October is the favorite month for the locals in Meghalaya? During October, you will see young and old out in the fields collecting these small insects that are locally called Ñiangphlang. I have no idea about the nutrients component in them, but all I can say is that they taste crazy good. If you are thinking that this is the hardest part of the entire process before you eat them, it is not. This particular practice has been passed down from generation to generation in the unheard parts of rural Meghalaya. And as a city person, to be able to experience this with the village kids, it is a blessing indeed. I am trusting the skills of these children for this particular delicacy because I have no clue how to prepare them, how to clean them. So let's see what happens when we eat them. After 3 hours of collecting the so-called Ñiangphlang, we decided we've had enough quantity to fill 6 stomachs. So let's head straight to the river to clean them. And in order to do that, we have a professional with us named Badeng. It requires years and years of practice in order to master the cleaning process. And this young boy who is 14 years old is a master of it. He's about to teach me how to clean these small insects that we are about to enjoy as a delicacy. As instructed by Badeng, the first step for us is to drop all the collected Ñiangphlang in a traditional bamboo basket, then followed by a good amount of sand on top of the Ñiangphlang. Then you shake it till you make it. I'm just joking. Pour water over the sand and then continue moving the basket. It looks easy, but it's not, because there's a specific way of doing it, a specific way to make the basket move in circular motion, and it takes years to learn that. You have to repeat this process over and over again until you see the hair. Is it the hairs for insect? I'm not sure. Anyway, in Khasi we call it treng. When you see them falling off, that means they are clean and ready to be washed thoroughly before consuming them.
Wow, delicious. Ulok the cool.